G'day everyone, Roberto here from Forni Wood-Fired Ovens in Melbourne, Australia. Today I'm just going to go visit one of my customers. We had the new Napoli range of the Capri ovens that I'm trying out in food trucks, mobile food trucks. I think they're going to be a great oven. So we're here at the Mornington Racecourse and we're going to go see Chris at Porcupine Eatery and see how the oven's performing and if he's happy with it. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so this is Porcupine Eatery, the mobile food truck, and we're going to go inside and just have a look at the oven, see how that's performing. So let's go inside. So Chris, how's the oven been? How have you been finding the oven?
Yeah,
how's it been performing?
Really good. Yeah, the good thing about this is it's lightweight, so it fits within our food trailer really well.
Yep. So how long does it take to heat up when you start?
Oh, just probably an hour.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah. Sometimes, depending on the weather, how it is.
And do you have any trouble cooking 3 at a time? Or?
Oh no, not at all, not at all.
The
As you can see, there's quite a bit of room. Recovery is pretty good.
Looks great. And they're coming out in about 90 seconds.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, good. The
That's the steamy yet.
Yeah.
So this is the Napoli Capri 1100 internal stainless steel pizza oven. Yeah, that's its performance in a food truck. We're here at the Wedding Expo. Chris seems to be happy with the oven. So the chef's happy, everyone's happy. So Chris, what's been your biggest day making pizzas? How many pizzas have you made?
I think we made 170 one day just in this oven.
170 pizzas in a day. That is one massive effort, mate.
The oven was going good the whole way. No
Very
problem.
good to hear. Okay, so yeah, that was a review on these Napoli Capri ovens. These are the newer models, whereas the floor's a bit thicker. We've got 40mm of insulation, then 40mm of silicate board, and then 40mm of refractory floor tiles. So these are just a little bit slightly different designs. Still the same one piece pressed in a dome. Yeah, Chris seemed to be very happy with the performance. As you may have heard, he's done up to 170 pizza ovens in one night. So very good effort, and he's very happy with the oven. And if he's very happy with the oven, I'm very happy with the oven. So yeah, that's the review of the Napoli Capri stainless steel and refractory pizza oven. Hope you enjoyed that review. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll show you more ovens. We've got the Vesuvio model coming out soon. That's going to also have a different floor design, a lot thicker insulation. Stands will be a little bit higher. Beautiful oven, stainless steel inside, stainless steel outside. Yeah, keep an eye out on the channel and I'll show a few more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.